Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. I have eggplant and I have some of this yesterday cooked meat. It's kind of a meat sauce. There is pork, there is beef. Let me turn on the fire at the same time so we can save time. So there is some onion, this shred is onion, and I have put some soya paste, spicy soya paste, and salt, pepper, and something very simple, and cook it for half an hour. Cook it for half an hour or more. So the eggplant is cleaned. Now I will cut the eggplant. Put in the pot. No cooking oil, nothing. So I just put it in, put the fire a bit slower. And let's keep on cutting. Not in a rush. This one is a little bit less pretty, but there's nothing wrong with it. We will not waste it. I enjoy cutting vegetables, such a pleasant feeling. Maybe 3 of them, or maybe 4. Let's see. You know, I bought 4, and if I cook 3, what to do with the leftover one? So let me cut all these 4 pieces of long eggplant. And this kind of eggplant has much less seeds and very, very tender. So I put everything in. This kind of cooking is much cleaner, not too much oil and oil splash. Now we take a look. See, now I turn on the fire. Okay, turn on the fire stronger and put in some cooking oil. Hello, bye-bye. I'm putting salt and pepper. Hello. Bye-bye. And pepper. Hello. Bye-bye. And we put in the meat paste and put in, and then some meat paste. A big chunk of it, 2 big chunks of it, and a little bit more, and then cover it up some soya sauce. Put in some mirin, sweet cooking seasoning. And that's about it. Cover it up. Let it cook. Put the fire slower and wait it until 10 minutes later. I will report you, okay? Oh, I have some wine, leftover wine, white wine. Put some white wine because it will need some moisture, some water. Instead of putting water, I put cooking wine on it. So. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, at the same time, I will prepare some salad. And we are running short of leaf salad. So I will use cucumber as substitute. Cucumber. All fall down. Don't know how you can manage that. Cucumber and salad, cresson and lettuce. We are running short of leaf salad. I like leaf salad, cresson, water crescent or water crest. One leaf not good. And some black olive. That's good enough. Some egg. And that is it. Olive oil. Maybe I need to put some more cucumber. Let me try it. Yes, I do need some more cucumber because I am running short of vegetables. One more. Japanese cucumber, very soft and tender. Bon appetito. Do, 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 do. Let me get another piece of paper. This will be used for cleaning other things, don't worry. I'm not wasting it. That is a small salad. Enjoy. You can put some vinegar if you like, or some lemon juice. I am not so much into acidity stuff tonight, so that is it. Bon appetito. Clean it up. Now we take a look at our eggplant. It's very soft and it does not look good, but should be quite tasty. Give it another 5 minutes to go. See you later, alligator. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is 5 minutes later and the eggplant is also here. We will take it out. Look at it. Ooh. It does not look good. It lost all its texture, but it is very, very delicious. And we just bought this new plate. I will tell you the story of the plate. My family, my husband and I, we went to a Japanese market, and he liked to buy these plates, and we both like the shape of the plate because it, you know. Okay, turn off the fire. So we can take a look of this plate, and it is like a bowl, but half bowl. It's just perfect for containing this vegetable with a little bit of sauce. And I like this one. And he has chosen this one. I felt this is so countryside because in China this looks very much like the countryside one. And at the beginning I never thought about it. After some time, let me put the fire away. So when we take back home, I start to like it. This very natural, very primitive, very original looks very, very, very unique. You know, there is a philosophy I heard, not very sure, in the Japanese cooking, in Japanese philosophy. Japanese tea bowl, I will show you my tea bowl. It's very rough, and each one is shaped very oddly because they want to have the uniqueness. If it is the same as other one, then it's not unique. And this one you can definitely see the hand painted, and the glaze already burned, a little bit burned, become darker, and it's very unique. And you can feel this is a handmade. Machine made cannot make it into such a shape. And I actually start more and more like the primitiveness and the rough and the raw and the authenticity of it. And you put something very refined, and by the contrast of this roughness, of this originality, it brings up the refinedness of the food, of the thing inside that is about to be presented. Make sense? Now I start to like it more and more. I think this will become one of my favorite, and still I like this one also. Nonetheless, not any diminishing value. I like them both, and I start to learn to appreciate the other people's appreciation from the view, from the perspective of another person. Don't you feel the bowl is a little bit looks better now after this explanation? And this odd shape and this a little bit dirty yellow mustard color looks so so real, so original. I love you. I really do. Bye bye, friends. Oh, maybe I can put salad into this one. Let's see how it looks. It does not have the best contrast, but it does have a very beautiful originality in it. I love it. Ooh, some black, some egg. It's prettier this way. Let's think about the presentation of it. Yeah. Maybe I will switch the plate to make it pretty, but this one is very originally beautiful. Bon appetito! I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends.